Alright, I got a shipment in today. What we're looking at here is the 2016 Wolf Privy. This is the first of 6 coins they're going to be coming out with over the next 3 years. This is the first in the series, and it's at an unbelievably cheap price right now. If you're going to get these, you want to get them before Monday, because RCM Bullion, which I never speak of names, is the place that has them, and they'll be raising the price, and other companies will be following suit with them and will be charging much more. Canadian Mint is known for milk spots, but these actually hide it pretty well. And this has some good frosting. The 2015 Privy, the frosting wasn't very good, I must say, but this is done pretty good. It's a good looking coin. Get some good details here. Now I got this to play with. Oops, and I got a tube of them, and they come sealed, even though this one looks like the in transit. I got a little wear on them, but I looked at it under a loop, and it's still in fact sealed. So if you buy a tube of 25, you'll get them sealed. If you buy under 25, they'll just come in flips. So it's a pretty nice coin. And I also picked this up from a different company. This is a 2014 1/10 ounce Canadian coin. I totally forgot the name of this. Slipped my mind, but either way, there's 2,000 of these made, and I found these at a super good deal, $144, but for only being 2,000 made, that is pretty cheap. I wanted to look at one. I will probably order another one of these, add it with my gold collection. But again, what do y'all think about this Wolf, this series here? If the first Wolf coin, if you all can remember, that they made in their wildlife series, is going for ridiculous amounts of money right now. I mean, $50, $60 a coin. So I believe there's 1 million of those made. This is their new series. There's only 50,000 made. I'm thinking it's going to be a winner. I'm actually getting ready to place another order as soon as I start the upload on this, and buy me one more tube. I must say I'm gonna have to free up some cash to do this, but I think it's gonna pay off in the long run, without a doubt. These little gold coins, I think they're also gonna be a nice little return when it's time to sell these. 2,000 minted on a 10th ounce gold coin. Super low mintage. Alrighty, keep stacking.